If your computer crashed tomorrow, would you lose everything? Let's make sure that never happens. Today, I'll show you how to back up your computer the easy way. First, what's a backup? It's just a safety copy of your important files, your photos, documents, and projects, saved somewhere else in case something goes wrong. Because here's the truth. Hard drives fail. Laptops get stolen. Files get deleted by accident. But a backup makes sure you can get everything back. There are two main ways to back up your computer: locally, using an external hard drive, and in the cloud, using online storage like OneDrive or Google Drive. Let's start with file history, the built-in Windows option. Plug in an external hard drive or a large USB drive. Go to Settings, System Storage, Advanced Storage Settings, Backup Options. Turn on File History and choose your drive. Windows will automatically back up your files on a schedule. Pro tip: plug in your backup drive once a week to keep it up to date. Now let's look at cloud backups. If you're on Windows, OneDrive is built in. Go to Settings, Arrow Accounts, Arrow OneDrive, Arrow Manage Backup. Turn on Desktop, Documents and Pictures. Everything in those folders will be saved to your OneDrive account. And here's something even better. OneDrive automatically keeps your files synced in real time. Every time you save or update a document, those changes are instantly backed up in the cloud. No extra steps, no manual uploads. If your computer crashes or you switch to a new device, your latest files are already safe and waiting for you. Or, if you prefer Google Drive, download the Drive desktop app. Choose the folders you want to sync and they'll automatically stay backed up online. And just like OneDrive, Google Drive keeps everything in sync automatically. When you add, change, or delete a file, Drive updates it in real time, both on your computer and in the cloud. So your files are always up to date, whether you're working at home, school, or on the go. No need to upload anything manually, it just works quietly in the background. So how often should you back up? If you work with important files every day, do it daily. If not, weekly or monthly is fine. And always back up before major updates or hardware changes. Backing up your computer takes just a few minutes, but it could save years of memories and work. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.